Alrighty, glad to meet you all again. Today, I want to share one of our star products, Oyang 70s non-moving box bag making machine. In 2023, 1 year, only this item, we sold more than 500 sets. Do you know why more and more customers in the market choosing it? 1. Whole machine upgrade bus system, high transmission accuracy. 2. With guided screen, easier operation, save more than 20 minutes. 3. Indirect adhesive function, automatically centers handle, reduces scrap rate, and energy saving more than 40%. 4. Automatic creasing adjustment, bag mouth deviation within 1 mm. 5. Stable production of 5,000 pieces per hour, increase the capacity. We also provide 2 different folding units, vertical folding and standard folding. Wow! Such a cost-effective bag making machine, more intelligent, more energy efficient, more digital, more competitive. Ounuo leads the development of package industry and creates value for you. Thanks for your time. See